Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'll be helping you learn how to download Paycom application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end, without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by going to your Play Store, and once you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in Paycom and search. This is the app that we are looking for. Simply tap on the install button to download it on your device. Wait until the download process is finished. Paycom is an American online payroll and human resource technology provider based in Oklahoma City. You can manage your own payroll and hour data with the app. You can access your data anywhere, anytime you want. After the download is done, wait for it to install on your device, and after it does, simply tap it open by tapping on Open. You can also find it in your app drawer as well. Tap Open the app, and sign up to a new account and begin. That is how you can easily download Paycom application on your mobile device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.